This is gonna blow your mind. Trump's 25% tariffs on Canadian goods are hitting Canadian truckers hard. The Canadian Trucking Alliance warns of shocking effects: job losses, business closures, and supply chain disruptions. Some companies have already laid off workers due to canceled orders. Border delays are skyrocketing with increased inspections. Truck drivers are worried about their livelihoods and how they'll support their families. The industry is urging the Canadian government to repeal the carbon tax to help offset rising costs. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.